Are you ready to make some seriously cute food? Okay, let's do this.
Okay, let's be real for a sec. You ever open your lunchbox and just feel kind of bored? You know, that sad little sandwich, that lonely rice ball, they're just begging for a little bit of personality. Well, today, we're gonna give them a major makeover.
That's right, we are giving our food a complete kawaii glow-up. We're talking about transforming your meals into something so ridiculously adorable you almost won't want to eat it, but you totally will, because it's going to be delicious too. Okay, first things first. We have to learn the secret password to all this cuteness. It's this amazing Japanese word that's all about the art of being adorable. Any guesses what it is? You got it, it's kawaii. So kawaii, you say it like kawaii, is this huge part of Japanese culture, and it's all about celebrating things that are just cute, charming, and totally lovable. It's about finding joy in the little things, you know? Like giving your toast a happy face or turning a rice ball into a tiny panda. It's really all about making you smile. All right, are you ready for some major inspiration? Let's dive into some super clever ways to bring a little kawaii magic to your meals. I promise, these ideas are so simple, but they are guaranteed to make your food a whole lot cuter. Let's kick things off with breakfast. I mean, a plain old pancake is fine, I guess, but a pancake that looks like a friendly little bear? Now that is a whole new level of awesome. With just a few simple tricks, you can turn your morning meal into a whole crew of cute little critters. Next up, let's talk cookies. This is where you can get seriously creative. Just imagine baking a batch of cookies that look like Totoro, or maybe some of those adorable little soot sprites from Spirited Away. The possibilities are, like, endless, and it's such a fun way to show off your favorite things. Okay, this is one of my absolute favorite tricks because it's so easy, but it makes such a huge difference. All you do is grab a cookie cutter, any shape you like, and press it into your sandwich, or a slice of cheese, or even a piece of fruit. All of a sudden, your lunchbox is like a million times more exciting. And of course, we have to talk about onigiri. These Japanese rice balls are a total staple of kawaii food, and for good reason. They're like these perfect little blank canvases just waiting for you to turn them into adorable animals. All you need is a little bit of seaweed to create the cutest pandas, cats, or bears you've ever seen. Feeling inspired? Awesome. Now, let's talk about the tools you're going to need to create your own kawaii masterpieces. And don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. In fact, you probably have most of this stuff in your kitchen already. So, as you can see, our kawaii toolkit is all about simple, everyday items. Edible markers and nori, or seaweed, are basically magic wands for drawing on cute faces, little whiskers, and all those tiny details. Cookie cutters are your secret weapon for those instant, perfect shapes. And come on, melted chocolate is amazing for adding stripes, polka dots, or any design you can dream up. Okay. Now that you're armed with all this inspiration and the right tools, it is time for your first mission. We're gonna make a super cute onigiri bear, and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. You ready? Let's do this. First up, you're gonna take some warm, sticky rice and just gently shape it into a round head. Here's a little tip. If you wet your hands with a little water, the rice won't stick to you. Next, use a small pair of scissors to cut out little circles from a sheet of nori for the ears, the eyes, and the nose. Then you just stick them right onto the rice ball to create your bear's adorable little face. And that's it. Ta-da! You've just made a super cute and delicious new friend. And hey, always remember, the most important rule of kawaii is just to have fun with it. Don't stress about making everything perfect. It's all about being playful, getting creative, and making food that brings a little bit of joy to your day. And that's a wrap on our kawaii food adventure. You are now officially a master of all things cute and delicious. So go on, go out there and make the world a more adorable place, one meal at a time. So what's it gonna be? What will you make cute first? A bento box filled with animal-shaped sandwiches? A whole batch of cookies that look like your favorite cartoon characters? Or maybe a whole family of little onigiri bears? The possibilities are endless, so get creative and have so much fun.